Ito po yung smart foreheads. Printer head. Copying. Cleaning. Nozzle test. Dito naman ang ground wire at AVR. Ink tank at ink system. Waste tank. Unused supplies. Dito naman ang stocks at unused ink. Sabley rods. So consumable, ang consume namin 1.55 ay dalawang poppy jet, cyan, dalawang magenta, isang black at isang yellow. 366 meters naman na run last week. Printer daily checks.